Camaraderie. Camaraderie is a noun that refers to a feeling of trust, friendship, and mutual respect among a group of people who share a common goal or experience. It is often used to describe the strong bond and sense of unity that develops within a team, organization, or community. Examples: 1. In the military, camaraderie among soldiers is essential for building a cohesive unit. They rely on each other for support and work together to achieve their objectives. For example, soldiers often develop a strong camaraderie during training exercises or while on deployment. 2. Sports teams often have a strong sense of camaraderie. Players support and encourage each other, share victories and defeats, and work towards a common goal. For instance, a basketball team that has a strong camaraderie will communicate effectively on the court, trust each other's abilities, and celebrate each other's successes. 3. In the workplace, camaraderie can contribute to a positive and productive environment. Colleagues who have camaraderie are more likely to collaborate effectively, assist each other with tasks, and create a supportive atmosphere. For example, a team that shares a sense of camaraderie may organize team-building activities, celebrate achievements together, and offer help and advice when needed. 4. Camaraderie can also be found in social groups or communities. People who share common interests or experiences often form strong bonds of camaraderie. This can be seen in hobby clubs, volunteer organizations, or even online communities. For instance, a group of book enthusiasts may gather regularly to discuss their favorite novels, share recommendations, and support each other's reading goals. In summary, camaraderie represents the close-knit relationship and mutual trust that develops among individuals who share a common purpose or experience. It promotes teamwork, support, and a sense of belonging, leading to stronger relationships and increased productivity in various contexts.